It's 6:30 and I'm still wearing the same clothes I wore like last night. I went to bed at like 11:30 and I'm working. I have to go to the dealership today at like 7:15. I actually should start to get dressed, so I'm gonna stop doing what I'm doing, grab my computer and get on the road, I guess. Wow, I didn't realize it was getting so late. I gotta go. Hello, I'm on the floor of my office again, and is it really like 2:30? It's 2:30. I've been up since almost 6, and I went to sleep at like midnight. So I woke up at like 4:30, and I was really nervous. I got up to work. I had something to complete, and I had another thing to complete, and and another thing that was late. So I was scared to turn in the thing that was complete because I feel like the brand's not gonna like it. And they're gonna ask for some other project. I don't know, I just have this feeling. It's not a good feeling. And then I was really late editing a video that's supposed to go up this weekend, but I got it done, bless. And I have not done any editing for the video that's supposed to go up today. So I think I'm just not going to. I'm so sorry, but I've just been all over the place. You saw I was at rehearsal. I was basically working all day yesterday, and then I had to go to rehearsal. And I was at rehearsal from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and then when I came home, I just went to bed, and then I got up, and I went to the dealership this morning to take my car to go get serviced, and the service is going to be so expensive. There's a bunch of stuff that is wrong with the car. The car's paid for, so it's worth it to fix the car so I can get another couple of years out of it, but oh my gosh, it's gonna hurt. But there is a nail in the tire, so they're gonna patch that, fix it up for me. There's a bunch of other stuff that needs to get done to the car, but you know, at least it'll be safe to drive around. I don't have to worry about it for a while, but they are keeping it for like a couple of days. They gave me a loaner. So I was at the dealership this morning until like almost noon. No, maybe like 10:30 or something, 10. And then I just went straight to my computer and straight to in front of the camera and filmed another video and sent all the stuff out. So I feel like I have not stopped. And I feel like a lot of comments I get are, you need to slow down. So this is me slowing down. I'm gonna stop what I'm doing and just take the evening off, and I will upload this video and the video that I'm going to make tomorrow, or maybe I'll just be a day behind and it'll be fine. So that is the full tea. I will see you later. I'm gonna go turn on Animal Crossing and just relax. Bye. You ready for breakfast? You ready? snow. I didn't think it was gonna do anything, but I woke up this morning and saw it was a light dusting of snow here. This is not a big deal for us here in Boston, but it's kind of shocking to wake up to anyway. All right, good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we're going to the pet store to pick up some more food for Clover. We just recently changed his food, and I got like a small bag to start out with to see how he would do, and he did great. So yeah, we're going to get some more food, and then we are going to the Container Store to go get some stuff. So I'm excited. Come with us. Clover, you don't even like those. You don't even like those. Those are trash. Those are trash. Are there any like good ones in there? Just milk bones? Gross. He doesn't even like these. He already had a treat.
Sit.
See, he doesn't like it. See, you don't like those. Is he gonna eat it anyway? No, he didn't like it, see? He left it on the floor. Okay, we are back from the Container Store. Clover had a good time in there, hanging out with people. I'll show you what I brought home for myself. My husband got a bunch of drawer organizers for himself in his office, so he's gonna go down and do that project. But I got 2 new sets of hooks for the entryway because these are the hooks that were installed by the previous owners, and I don't love them. So I'm gonna replace them with these Umbra flip hooks. I've always wanted these actually. They're super cool. Let's see, there they go. They do like that, and then you put your coat on or whatever. But if you don't want it to have, you know, if you don't want it to stick out, it just looks really clean. So I really like that. And then I got 2 of these little super cute food containers for like leftover, you know, onions and stuff. When we cut those up, love those. Then I got a bunch of drawer organizers for my office. I love these. I've been using these for a while, different colors. They're super cute. But I also got one of these like Marie Kondo drawer organizer sets. I don't know. These could be really cool. I don't know. I'm gonna give them a try. Let you know how I like them or not. I think they were way too expensive for what they were, but you know, we're gonna try. They're joyful hikidashi organizers. So we'll see. We'll see. And I got this to do a cord organization project. Very excited. You'll probably see that in a little while. And what else did I get? Oh, I also got a clear acrylic toilet paper reserve and dispenser for the bathroom because I'm thinking about putting it here because this situation, this ain't good. Cause like, go with me here. You're sitting on the toilet and like, then to get to the toilet paper, you have to like twist all the way around like this. And first of all, lift this up. I'm gonna take this off anyway. And then get the toilet paper. But when this roll is full, like when it's like big, it's even more, cause then you're sitting right next to it. It's not good. So I think the standalone toilet paper holder up here in front will be better because I can just grab it. Grab it. I thought I'd give you guys an update on how the plants were doing. The peace lily is settling in well, looking Very beautiful, and so is the Dieffenbachia in the other room. This one has not been touching plants at all, is very not curious. He was going through a period when his stomach was bad, when he was eating plants, but he has no interest in them anymore, and no interest in them, and when he feels well. That's the whole thing, is when he has stomach upset, he comes and chews plants, and so we have discovered why that is, and ever since then he's been leaving him alone. So he doesn't have a stomach pain anymore, do you? Right? You're good? By the way, the floor is so dirty around here. I might as well just turn on the Roomba. But anyway, there is the peace lily, some flowers coming. It's so beautiful. Like, I just am in awe over it. I love it. It's stunning. Although I do feel bad about this leaf. I don't think that I did this, but oh, poor leaf. But anyway, she's looking so fabulous. And everything over here is so happy since I cleaned it. The Stramanthe is living her best life. Like, this is a brand new leaf here. So pretty. And I do think that little Stramanthe that I saw in the store is a magic star. Part of me wants to go get it, pick it up. I may have to do that in the next couple of days. We'll see. We'll see. I might go to my other favorite plant shop as well. But the Tenanthe that I received last year is like a mini plant. I think I received it as a mini plant from Plantarina. Like, it was really tiny. Like, the leaves were like this small when I got it. Now it's growing these big boy leaves. So, and there's new leaves just coming. They're still growing. So I'm still feeding this one. I'm actually still feeding all of my calatheas because they're still growing and popping out new growth. So as long as they're growing, I'll feed them, but probably stop, I don't know, in the next couple of weeks, because it's gonna be like winter. Here's the other one that was here. So pretty. She's just putting out this weird shoot. I mean, it's got nodes on it, so maybe it's gonna grow, I don't know. And it's got a little nub in the back too, who knows. I don't know where this plant is gonna grow from, but because it's Rhaphidophora, I don't really know much about their growth pattern, but let's hope she does well. And my favorite plant is doing well over here too. She's just living her best life. I think this one's done growing for the season. Maybe, I don't know, I'll check to see if there are any new shoots coming up. I don't see any. This one just goes through sort of stages periodically where it's just putting out new leaves all the time. And it doesn't get that many, all the leaves are pretty vivacious. Like, I rarely pull dead leaves off this plant, so I think she's doing pretty well. Like, this one looks like a new leaf here. Yeah, this is brand new. You can see it's still hardening off just by the color of it. It's so pretty. The tracking on these plants is stunning. This one's a new leaf too. You can tell a little bit by the color. So I don't know. I just love this plant so much. So I'm going to go ahead and do my little organization project for this space, and I will catch you in a few. Also, just to let you know, we have not put the lights on the tree yet. They're still sitting here because of our schedule for the last couple of days. We've just been so busy. Here are the clips that we pulled off of the old lights I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but they're here. And this has been a project that needs to get done because I want to enjoy our Christmas tree. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or something, who knows. Okay, Clover came out. He's like, what are you doing? Why are you leaving me out? We're not leaving you out. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to rest last night. I have been so busy with other stuff that has nothing to do with my YouTube channel for the last couple of days that I have been just chained to my desk and stressed out, and I was really, really grateful to have a chance to just rest last night and like have a cocktail, listen to some YouTube videos, make dinner, play with Clover, and just enjoy. Go to bed early. So that's what I did last night. I had a lot of fun. So today it's back to work. We have rehearsal tonight. This is our first rehearsal with the orchestra, so this should be interesting. But I will take you guys along. So hopefully this video is going to be enjoyable for you all. And oh my gosh, Clover really wants to say hello. Here he is. You are a little smelly. You are a little smelly. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have like wet fur here because you've been walking around in the puddles and stuff. Oh, you're smelly. So I'm gonna stop today's vlog here and start tomorrow's vlog right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Doesn't matter if
falling, all the windows in the